Sending personalized messages one by one doesn't scale. This feature lets you send bulk messages with Excel-based dynamic templates. Clean, flexible, and fully controlled. Simply import your Excel file with recipients and variables. Each row represents one recipient. Each column can be used as a message variable. The only required column is phone. You can choose between dynamic messages or static messages. Dynamic templates automatically replace variables based on Excel column names, with no limit on variables. If your campaign doesn't need personalization, static messages are supported as well. Messages are generated per row, based on the selected template. Every recipient receives the correct message. No mismatches, no confusion.